Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make Belizean Rum Popo or eggnog. To start with, you're going to need 2 eggs separated and make sure you get good fresh eggs. If you're concerned about the raw eggs in this recipe, then this one is not for you. But this is just the way I grew up with it. This is the way my mom always made it. And this is the way Belizeans make it. We never cook the eggs. We believe that the alcohol will help kill off the bacteria in the eggs. I don't know how true that is, but we've been doing this for years and years. I always forget to say this in my videos, but you can follow me on Instagram at Cooking with Shirani. I share more personal stuff over there. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories, so follow me on Instagram if you like. And I also have a Cooking with Shirani Facebook page. You can follow me there also. To the egg yolks, I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements listed in the description box below for you. With your electric mixer, beat this for about 10 minutes or so, or until it's nice and thick and creamy. So with everything going on right now, I know it's hard for everyone. A lot of us are not going to get to see our families. But what are some traditions you're still keeping with your own family? Let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm going to add 1 can of evaporated milk. When it comes to the rum, make sure you get something that you like to drink. I believe the nicer the rum, the nicer the rum popo. So not to go buy no really cheap rum about the place, otherwise the rum popo no nice. My sweet cousin and bestie gave me this rum. So thank you, Esther. I love this rum gal and it looks so pretty. I'm going to add 1 cup of rum, but this is totally up to you on how much you want to put, but I like mine with a lot of rum. And then I'm going to add half of a teaspoon of grated nutmeg. Beat this until everything is mixed together. I have to say I personally like my rum popo with spice rum. I feel like the spice rum just give it a really good flavor that I like. Growing up, my mom used to always use brandy. I just remember when we used to do our Christmas shopping, she would always buy brandy especially to make rum popo. But I guess the stores didn't have a lot to choose from either, so it would either be brandy or rum. And not spice rum, just regular rum. So she would always use brandy. I know some people use white rum or dark rum, but I would suggest if you're using that, to soak some cinnamon sticks and raisins in the rum ahead of time, and then when you're ready to use it, it will give your rum a nice flavor. When you're finished with that, set that aside and then beat your egg whites until stiff peaks are formed. Now you're going to add the egg whites to your milk mixture. And then you're going to gently mix this in, and you don't want to over mix this because you want this to be light. The way we like to store this is in an empty rum bottle, so I'm just using an empty rum bottle that I have from Belize. My other cousin Eleanor brought this rum for me all the way from Belize to Texas, so thank you, gal Ellie. And what is it about people always giving me rum as gifts? What does that say about me? When you fill the bottle, don't fill it all the way to the top. Leave some space in there because you need to shake the bottle before you serve it. It couldn't all fit in that one bottle, so I'm just putting some in this other one. I like to make my rum popo at least 2 days ahead of time, so 2 days before Christmas or New Year's. And it will get thicker and creamier over time. I just want to show you that I didn't drink out all that rum. That was just an empty bottle that I had, and this is still my new one. Just in case you're wondering. You want to store this in the refrigerator until you're ready for it. So this is what it looks like the next day, and you have to make sure you shake it because usually the nutmeg sinks to the bottom and then the top looks a little bit foamy, so I like to shake it. You can serve this chilled just the way it is or with ice. I prefer mine with ice because I like it to be cold. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And if you make this recipe, don't be afraid to tag me on social media. I'm at Cooking with Shirani everywhere. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you.